Hello guys, me, your friend. Today we're gonna roast some people. Join myself. Hello, welcome. May I introduce yourself? I'm doing a YouTube contest. There's no YouTube, so I'm just using the roast contest. Yeah. Somebody want to be on stage? Hello, yeah. Wait. On speaker. Hello. I'm doing a YouTuber contest. I'm doing a YouTuber contest.
Can you make me more?
Okay, sure. But mother. Okay, mother. By the way, someone leave.
You wanna choose someone to roast?
Yeah, I know.
Should she talk?
Are you gonna be my friend?
Let's roast each other.
Are you gonna be my friend, dude?
What?
Are you gonna be my friend?
Sure. I can be your backup.
Okay, sure. Wait, are you a YouTuber or something?
With your hands, I will choose them.
Are you a YouTuber or something?
Are you Filipino?
Why?
Because I saw the Filipino flag at your head.
Oh yeah, I'm Filipino. I'm Filipino.
Yellow.
Oh yeah, that's my tutu. Pares.
She's Chinese, I think.
Chinese, ano ito?
This language of us.
Yeah, man. Wait, he's on here. Hey, you didn't hear that, bro. By the way, are you a YouTuber or something? Are you a YouTuber?
Yeah,
Oh,
I am.
because I'm doing a group challenge for the YouTubers, so they can pay $100.
Guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we are gonna play Roblox.
I'm already, bro. I'm already recording, bro. Oh my god.
Okay, guys, this is my friend here. What's your name?
Doy.
Okay, what is your name?
And this is my friend here. Listening? What's your name?
So boring.
Oh,
This is so boring.
yeah, this is kind of boring.
If you join me, I will make a stage.
Okay, sure. I'm gonna join you.
Stage.
Go ahead. I'm gonna join you. Go ahead. I'm gonna join you.
Wait.
Go, bro. What are we gonna play, by the way?
Just join me. I'm still in the same game.
Okay.
Mine is roasting.
Okay, sure.
Okay. No.
Oh, he's out. So I'm gonna. I'm playing with my friend right now, bro. Yo, chat. Bro, it's not shades anymore. By the way, chat, bro. Is he kinda ready, by the way?
that. Yaman na.
Right. I'm literally joining this girl. Huh? Haka.
Pangulong ko sila.
I took to the bed or something or not.
Yan, ano
Because
pamilya
I'm
nila
gonna
mo?
make her.
Hindi yan nila nag-ano. Pero di yan
Hello?
sa...
Is my friend here?
Kaya di yan naman sa may...
It's just me, rude. It's not there anymore.
Oh,
Bro, am I lag? Am I bugging or something?
nagkatod sa nila si Angkol nila, si Tio nila nagkatod kay...
No.
Tio ya, malagis mo
Son.
Tio ya. Ang Tio ya, nagdisma.
It's still on stage.
Okay, doon pa rin yata na nila si...
It's on the way.
Dungol na natin
It's
si
still in
nagkatod
the game.
niya Tio. Maoy
Bro,
ka.
am I lagging or something? Oh, I cannot join him. What? I'm gonna join the server.
Totoo lang, manong ba ako nang pwede tayo
Yeah.
ba?
If you want to go up.
Hello? Where's my friend here?
Mabiyaan, mami lang, huli lang, sinabi
Add me in.
I want to make someone. I want to make someone said Ronnie in the chat. It's this guy named
Doy.
Doy. This kid this Japanese avatar. Yeah.
Hello. My name is Doy.
Because I recently have.
Yeah.
Can I sing now?
By the way. I don't know how to raise my hand in here though.
Okay. Brad, can you mute? Brad, can you mute?
Okay, sure.
Can you mute? Okay, thank you. I know. Okay. This is weird because I saw something so bad I can't think even and make it bad. Okay. I know.
What just happened?
Kulong-kulong. Yun na.
Seven to muffin.
Ipingin mo niya daw, tulog niya. Mo si Papa.
Who's my friend? Tiki.
Bukan si Tarzan.
Help me.
Beto, ako na
Help me, you. Tiki. The young kid. Sorry, move. Location. Bro,
Say hi to Mama Day. Hi.
is my friend here by the way?
Bless pa.
Okay, maybe not.
Bless.
Oh, location.
Bless. Bless na yung Mama Day. Man.
That's for the video, guys. Thank you for watching to my video and
Bye-bye na.
and support her in this channel.
Bye.
I'm gonna edit in this channel by the way, but I don't know how, guys. So bye bye.